Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I, Assistant Professor Sumaya Tamboli, will clear your concept today based on types of CSS and its properties. Okay? Now there are three types of CSS. First, inline CSS. Second, internal CSS, also known as embedded CSS. Third is external CSS. Let's see this one by one. Inline CSS. An inline CSS is used to apply a unique style to a single element. Okay? An inline CSS uses the style attribute of an HTML element. Right? Whenever a style need to be applied on a single element, then it is said to be as inline CSS. Okay? And the attribute, which attribute it is going to make use of? It is going to make use of style attribute of an HTML element. Okay? The syntax is see the tag, style, attribute, property, its value. Right? Again here property and its value and the close tag. Right? Example below I have taken the element h1. Right? I have taken the element h1 with the style attribute. Right? And here the declaration section, here you can see it is having the property and the value. The property and the value. Which is applied to which element? It is applied to element h1. This is blue heading. So basically here it is telling what? When style is specified in the HTML tag itself, right? Style कहाँ पर specify हुआ है? HTML tag के अंदर specify हुआ है. That's why it is said to be as inline CSS. Is it okay to everyone? Now next. Internal CSS. An internal CSS is used to define a style for a single HTML page, right? An internal CSS is defined in the head section of an HTML page within a style element, right? So here you can see the syntax. In the head container, you can see there is a style element. See here, style opening tag and closing tag. Together this is called as style element, right? So here, for styling a single HTML page, we are making use of internal CSS. You can see the example. This is how you're going to do this, right? Style type is equal to text or CSS. This you have to write. Type is the attribute of the style element which is equals to text or CSS. So here you can see you are styling a element P. Okay? You are going to apply style to the paragraph element, right? And here H1 heading, right? Wherever in the entire HTML document you're going to see the paragraph tag, it is going to come in blue. The text whatever is written in this P tag will appear to be blue, right? In the entire document. Here also H1 color red and text align is what? Center. So basically an internal style sheet should be used when a single document has a unique style, right? When a single document has a unique style, then we are going to use internal style sheet, right? Next, external CSS. An external style sheet is used to define the style for many HTML pages, okay? With an external style sheet, you can change the look of an entire website by changing one file. To use an external style sheet, add a link to it in the head section of the HTML page. Let's see the example. Here you can see this is the head element. You are going to link. Since we are writing a separate CSS file, which is called as external CSS, right? We are going to write a file which is of style, right? And that we are going to link to our HTML document with the help of this element, right, inside the head section. Is it okay to everyone? This is how we are going to link the external CSS file, right? Now, background properties which we are going to use while styling our HTML document, right? These are the background properties like background color. These are the values and these are the example. Similarly, background image, value is URL, and the example you can see this is how you're going to provide the background image. Here this is background repeat. If you want to repeat the background, then you're going to specify the value repeat. If you do not want to repeat the background, no repeat. This is how you can try the rest also. Background attachment, fix or scroll. Background position, top left, top center. These are the values for the background positions, right? Similarly, font properties. These are the font properties like font family. These are the values. You can try every value while you are creating a HTML document with the help of CSS, right? Next, font size, font weight, font style, and font variant. These are the values and these are the example how you're going to apply it into your own HTML document with CSS, right? Text properties, and these are the text properties with the value and the example. Letter spacing, text decoration, text align. Okay, these are the properties with values and the example. Next, border properties. These are the border properties like border style, color, width, sides. Okay, border sides, border top, border bottom. These are the values and these are the example, right? You can try it by yourself. Box properties. These are the box properties, right? Margin, border, padding, and content. Is it okay? We will see one example, right, in the next video. These are the CSS margin. These are the margin properties, right? Margin and the value, that is 10 pixel, set on all sides, right? Margin top, length in percentage or auto, like 20%, 50%. Similarly, margin left, margin right, and margin bottom. Next, you can see CSS padding. Again, padding is the property, right? 10 pixel is the value, sets on all sides, padding top, length percentage or auto, padding left, padding right, padding bottom. Is it okay? Next, so here this all we have learned is nothing but type of CSS, that is inline, internal and external. We are going to see the example in the next video, right? And we have seen what all can the properties, right? Like border property, font property, text property, box properties, like. So you can practice this yourself, right? And I'll be showing you example in the next video. Please like and share this channel. Thank you for watching the video.